Buldak curry is a hot chicken flavor ramen manufactured by Samyang. It is extremely convenient to prepare and is really hot. If you love spicy ramen, then you need to try this out. This ramen is not overpowered by spice, but is spicy along with a delicious curry flavor. Since this ramen is manufactured by Samyang, quality and consistency are assured. Samyang Foods Company was established in 1961 and produced Korea's first ramen in September of 1963. Since then, ramen has become the second staple food in Korea. Samyang Foods uses high-quality, natural ingredients to provide excellent food with exceptional Korean flavors. Their products are HACCP qualified, meaning they are both halal and follow strict safety guidelines. This Buldak curry ramen is no exception. The noodles from Samyang are superior to other ramen noodles since they are thicker, heartier, and more substantive. The hot but tasty flavor of these curry noodles is so delicious thanks to the curry flavor packet and the dried veggie flakes. The spice of this ramen meal gradually builds up and is indeed quite hot. Though it does not hit you all at once, you will definitely feel the burn as you enjoy this ramen. Each bag of this ramen comes with 5 individually wrapped packs. The serving size is 1 pack and contains 550 calories. Each serving also has 18 grams of fat, 4 grams of cholesterol, 1,510 milligrams of sodium, 85 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of dietary fiber, 7 grams of sugar, and 13 grams of protein. The ingredients list shows the allergy information in bold font. They include wheat, gluten, soy, and milk. This ramen can be stored conveniently in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Proper storage will keep this ramen fresh for about a year. This ramen is prepared by putting the noodles and flakes into 600 milliliters of boiling water and cooking for 5 minutes. After boiling, remove the noodles from the water, but keep 8 spoonfuls of the water. Return the noodles to the stovetop and use the 8 spoonfuls of water along with a liquid soup packet to stir fry the noodles for 30 seconds. Then stir well and serve. You can enjoy this ramen as is, but you could also add your own chopped veggies, cheese, or egg for a larger meal. This ramen has a unique flavor and is spicy. I recommend it for anyone who is looking for a new type of spicy ramen to try. Now, I will prepare a bowl of this ramen to show you how it looks. Here, I will open this package and show you each individually wrapped pack. Here's what's inside each pack. Now I will prepare a bowl of this ramen to show you how it looks. Here's the finished product. It smells great and looks delicious.
Enjoy. Bye bye.